Hello everybody, this is Ed back with another video, and today I'm rolling through Gloster, Mississippi. Small town in southwest Mississippi, right near the border of Mississippi and Louisiana, with a population of around 900, and this was taken from the 2020 census. Gloster is in Amite County. It was incorporated on March 11th, 1884. It was largely founded as a railroad town. Gloster was named after Captain Arthur W. Gloster, the engineer who built the Wazoo and the Mississippi Valley Railroad in the 1880s. Racial makeup as of 2020, you have white 230, Black African American 633, 3 Native American, 1 Asian, 14 mixed or other, 16 Hispanic or Latino. I don't know about that 1 Asian. Reading up on the economic surge they got going on in Gloster with these companies coming in. One company is a wood pellet production facility in Gloster. They said that this is all according to Wikipedia now because I can't find it anywhere else, but to establish 45 jobs, Amite Bioenergy. There's also a company, Claw Forestry Services, a company that manages a large amount of timberland in the south. In April 22, Fall Forestry announced Gloster Forest Products Project, which will include a new sawmill in Gloster. The project is expected to begin manufacturing lumber in late 2023, early 2024. The mill is located on 65 acres of land in Amite County on the former site of Georgia Pacific. The mill will need more than 1 million tons of timber annually to produce the 250 million board feet of lumber. The project is expected to create 131 direct jobs and support an additional 200 indirect jobs when operating at full capacity. Well, good for y'all, Gloster. Looks like they picked up the railroad, got a little machinery, gonna start building something. They picked up the railroad tracks. Wonder what was down here. UP, Norfolk Southern. All right, coming up on the group of guys here. Wonder what they're doing. Filmed this on a Sunday. Don't look like they dressed for church. Maybe. But beautiful day to be rolling around too. This is on an early Sunday morning. Don't normally drive out on Sundays, but this is the only time I had to make trips. Work's been kind of hectic for the past 2-3 weeks, so we're going into the downtown area, and I'm gonna get both sides. I'm gonna drive down one way and then come back around and get the other side. There's a few businesses here. They do have a few buildings that are empty, but some of these buildings are utilized, which is a good thing. And then you have you got your public library and your post office. saw one gas station when I came through. Wonder where they get their groceries. I don't know why, but I'm always curious about stuff like that. Where do people buy things? Oh shit, there it is. That's where they get their grocery shopping done. Piggly Wiggly. Boom. Piggly Wiggly. Man, I ain't been to a Piggly Wiggly in years. Damn. I grew up on Piggly Wiggly. I should go in there. I should make a stop. Damn, it's packed too. Yeah, it is packed. Wow, got a Piggly Wiggly. Man, that brings me back when I was a kid. Messing around the basket, the grocery basket, while mom hit me beside my head, pinching me on my ear. That shit used to hurt. Damn, that shit used to hurt. It's not a bad town. Looks a lot of boring though. A whole lot of boring in that to me. But I've never lived in a place that this isolated. I mean, I live in a small town now, but it's right next to a city. So all the amenities is 6 miles away. That nice church. All right, there it is. That's the town administration, police department, town hall. Yeah, this is a nice town. I wonder if the economic development and all this wood stuff, you know, this should grow. That you would bring people here. Alright, appreciate y'all checking out this video. If you like content like this, please give it a like, and I'll see you on the next one.